This is a very high quality, very detailed DIY kit. You punch out a lot of the wooden pieces and then glue them onto the boards. And then you glue together some structures like a bookshelf and a window here and put the sidewalls together. Sometimes you have to file some of the pieces so that they'll fit together just right, but that's no big deal. Overall, it is a pretty easy assembly. It just takes quite a bit of time because there's so much detail and it comes out absolutely beautiful. Here I'm just making some of the little books that go on the bookshelves. You cut out the paper of the book back and then you glue it onto this little wooden piece, and so it looks like tiny little books, and you have to make quite a few of these, but they look so cool. I'm about halfway done at this point, and I'm just amazed by the detail. The bookshelf and the books look so cool. Now you have to put the third wall on, and this is the trickiest wall to get on because you have to make sure your spacing in between some of the bookshelves is correct before you can move on. And then I'm gluing on the front plate, and the last step is to put in the dust cover. And you guys, look at how amazing this looks with the lights. It's illuminating inside the bookshelf and inside the book nook, and it just looks incredible. I mean, it looks like real wood, and it just is amazing quality, amazing detail, and it was such a fun DIY to complete. I would recommend completing it over a couple of sittings. I did it all at once, and it took me about 6 hours to complete. So I'd recommend doing it over several sittings, but it looks amazing in the dark. The lights just illuminating the bookshelves and all the detailing. I highly recommend this DIY kit. If you like doing DIY or crafts, you're going to need some glue and 2 AAA batteries.